So hi everyone. In this video, I will discuss another most the famous question, interview question, that is the Armstrong number. Okay. So firstly, so I will understand. So what are the meaning of the Armstrong number? A number is said to be the Armstrong number if the sum of the cube of the if the sum of cube of digit of a number is equal to that number, then it is called the Armstrong number. The meaning, okay, I am telling. Suppose I am taking the example of 153. Okay, so this is the Armstrong number or not? How I will check? So to checking them, so firstly I will calculate the cube of all the digit of a number. So that is a 1 cube plus 5 cube and plus 3 cube. If the sum of this it is equal to that number, then I will tell this is the Armstrong number. Otherwise it is not Armstrong number. So the cube of 1 is 1 itself, and the cube of the 5 is that is the 125. Okay, and the cube of 3 is 27. So what are the addition? So if we add 7, 5, 12 and 13, that is carry 1, 2, 2, 4 and 5, and that is the 1. So here you can see. So the this sum is equal to the previous number. Then we will tell the 153 is Armstrong number. If we take the example of another number like the 73, 73 is Armstrong or not. So for that I will check the cube of the digit of the sum of the cube of digit of that number. So 7 cube and plus 3 cube. Okay, if we add that thing, it will not equal to 73. Because of that, 7 7, that is the 49. 49 into 7, it will be uh, I think so yeah, 34. So 3 4 3 plus 7. So it is not equal to. So we can say, so this is not a Armstrong number. So the definition of the Armstrong number is, if we calculate the sum of digit of that number and equal to the same number, then it is Armstrong. Otherwise it is not Armstrong. I hope you understand that thing. Okay. So I will discuss how can we write the C code. Okay. Okay, so I am considering, suppose the user will enter a number. Okay, so I consider the variable a, and suppose the user enter the 153. Okay, so I mean with the help of the scanf, this value will go into the a percentage d and address of a. Okay, the user enter any value, and how it can decide it is whether the Armstrong number or not. How can we write the code? Okay, this is the a. Now we will take the another variable, that is the r. Okay, and the two operator I already discussed. The two operator I already discussed about the so this is the modulus operator one, and this is the divide operator. In case of the reverse of number, I explain it in the very detail. So this is the modulus operator. It is used to calculate the remainder, and this is the divide operator. It is used to calculate the quotient. Suppose I am taking the example of one number, that is the 773. Okay, if this number is moduli with 10, then it will give remainder 3. And if we divide this number with 10, then it will give the 7. So one thing in the conclusion I am telling, any number, if we moduli with 10, then the last digit will come. Okay, and any number, if we divide 10, then the last digit will remove. Okay, so this is the conclusion. You can take any example, that the 153 I am taking example. If we moduli with 10, then the last digit will come, that is the 3 is the remainder, and 153. If we divide with 10, then the last digit will remove. Okay, means only 15 will come, or 15 is the quotient. Okay, so this is the conclusion. So if we have any number, and I want to remove the last digit of a number, then we use the divide operator. And if you want to calculate the last digit of number, then we'll use this modulus operator. Okay, I hope you understand. So suppose the user enter the any number, that is the 153. Okay, then the firstly, so I will write one. So with the help of that is the a moduli 10, and that value I will store into the r. Means So if we do like that, 153 moduli with 10. So how much it will come? So how much it will come? That is the 3. The 3 will come. So 3 I will store in the variable r. Okay, and we will take the another variable s, that is initialized with the 0. So I am going to calculate the cube of number. So s plus r multiply by r. So this is the cube of number. Okay. So finally, in the R, how much we get? 3. So S is equal to 0. Initial value is 0 and R cube. 3 cube, that is the, so 3 cube, that is the, so this is the 27. So S, in the S it will come like that, 27. So here S will be updated with 27, the new value in the S. So S, in the S it will updated with new value 27. Now again we will remove the last digit. So if 153 be divided by 10, then the last digit, the 3, will be removed, and it will give only the 15, that is the quotient. So now a will be updated with, the 15 value. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, so this thing I need to repeat again. We need to evaluate this 5. So I am going to repeat this number. Okay, so for that purpose, this is the 15. Again I will I will perform the modulus operator with 10. So how much it will give? 5. Then r will be updated with the 5. Okay, r will be updated with 5. Again s is equal to, already s is updated with 27. So 27 plus the 5 cube. So it will come 152. So you can add. Okay, no problem. Now s will be updated with the new value 152. Okay, then this 15 I need to remove the last digit. Because of that, 5 5 come out, and finally we need to remove this digit. So 15 divided by 10, how much it will give? The 1 it will give. Now this a will be updated with the value of 1. Okay, then again it will come, and if we perform r mission, r is assigned 1, so moduli 10, how much the remainder it will give? Only 1. So r will be updated with 1. Okay, r will be updated with 1. Then we'll go the next statement as in the sum, that is the sum is already updated to 152. So 152 plus, so I mean 152 and the cube of 1, that is the 153. Okay, so sum, so finally s is updated with the 153. Okay, so s is updated with the 153. Okay, and finally we need to remove this one. The lastly one is left. So 1 moduli with 10, how much it will give? That is the quotient, it will give 0. Okay, so when the 0 it will come, then we need to stop that thing. So for that purpose we will use the another loop, that is the while loop. Okay, while a not equal to 0. So what are the meaning of that? So what are the meaning of that? Means we need to repeat this set of statement until and unless, when a until and unless the a will equal to 0. Okay, when a equal to 0, then we need to stop. Okay, sorry, if a will not equal to 0, up to that we need to repeat this set of statement. When a will go to 0, then we need to stop that thing. Okay, and finally we need to compare with the value of s. So in the s, the 153 came, okay, and the user enter 153. So this 153 and 153 is same. So we can say this is the RMS strong number. I hope you understand that thing. And also I will reduce it to 0. So for that purpose I will take the another variable, and in the I will take this value. I will keep this value of a, and finally we will compare the value of m equal to s. If s and m, because of what are the user will enter, no? That value I store in the another variable m. Okay, and this is the sum, this is the cube, this is the sum of cube of digit. If s and m will be same, then we will tell this is the Armstrong number, otherwise not Armstrong number. I hope you understand. Okay, so I am going on the code shape and I will write the code. Okay, see. So I consider all the, so the user. the value enter, and it will go into the variable a. I hope you understand. And I consider the another variable rm. I already write, otherwise it will take so much time, and I am writing the code. So in the m I will store the value of a, okay, and I will take the another loop, while loop, okay, and in that, when a will not equal to 0, up to that we need to repeat that loop, okay. A not equal to 0, up to that we need to repeat that loop. And this is the how much, so r में r assigned to a moduli 10, okay. I already explained this thing. And sum s plus, and r r multiply by r, that is I am going to calculate cube, no, cube of the digit of that number, that is the r, okay. And every statement end with the semicolon, and finally we will remove the last digit if the work finishes. So a assign 10, okay. I hope you understand, okay. And then I am going out of the loop, and finally I will compare the value of, if I told, actually the whatever the value will, the user will enter, that value I store into the m, okay. And I will compare with the s. And if m is equal to s, then I will tell printf, this is the Armstrong number, Armstrong number, otherwise it is not Armstrong number. Else, okay, I am copying the control c, control v, okay. It is a not Armstrong number. If these two thing is not same, then not. I hope the code is finished. And that is the, due to the int statement, that is the return type of the function is int, na main, or it will return 0. I hope you. I am going to run this. I think there is no any error is there, so I will run firstly. If there is no any error, it's okay. Yeah, no any error is there. So here I am giving the input value, okay. If I give, I consider the 153. If I take 153, it will show like that the Armstrong number. I already seen an example. Yeah, this is Armstrong number. So 153. If we take the example of any number, that is the 73, I told them this is not Armstrong number. So I'm entering that thing 73. So it is not a Armstrong number. So I hope you understand this thing. And another Armstrong number 370. I will check this is Armstrong, and yeah, not. So I mean that this is your task. You can calculate the cube of digit of that number, and sum finally it will equal to the same number. I hope you understand. So I explain in the very well the so the Armstrong number, this is the very famous interview question. It question also asked in the NXP and the Samsung, okay. So I hope you so you understand. So we will meet in the next video, okay. So thank you everyone.